What's up, guys? It's Easy Crypto here. I'm excited to bring you Paragex. They're in ICO stage. I think there's 3 days before it actually starts. They've already done their pre-ICO. This is brand new. Paragex is different from everybody else. They have a 7 million cap. They're taking all kinds of coins. Monero, Litecoin, Dash. They could even wire transfer. You could send money here. And Bitcoin Cash and Neo, Zcash. So definitely first of its kind. Let's just go through it. Let's walk through it together and see what we can find out in here. There's ways to make money with PGX or Paragex. The lending, the ICO commissions, and this is probably where ICO commissions is very different. They got 26% dedicated to this. So 10%, 5, 2.5, 2.5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I mean, at this stage, you're bringing in your friends and your family, and then all the way from level 3 to 10, these are people you've never met before. So, I mean, to receive bonus like this is insane for just telling people. And staking, 10% a month for staking, which is really great. I could tell you Coin is doing extremely well because of this. Moving on to their roadmap, they've started in December. It looks like pre-ICO was on the 1st or the 2nd of January. External exchange requests started on the 7th. Oh, so they're already ahead before even starting their ICO. They've already started doing things. The 17th will be the ICO date. And then they're going to start jumping into the lending program 5 days later. And then 2 days after that, they're going to start doing the mining pool. And then the full internal exchange, which is very important. And a lot of people have been failing, in my opinion, on this internal exchange. They're pretty solid saying that they're going to do it on the 26th. And that's what I really want to know. If you're going to start in January, what is it, the 7th, or sorry, January the 17th on your ICO, and then turn around and say you're going to do the full internal exchange on the 26th, that means you've already worked on it already. And so that tells me these guys are serious. 9 days later, internal exchange launch. Wow, that's very, very, very good. And believe it or not, they're saying over here in 2019 they're expecting this coin to be in the $700 range, which is possible, but I don't know if it's going to go to 760. But they're saying that in March they're going to have online shops start accepting Paragex. Debit card launch in May. Calculator. Oh, this is nice. Let's see, if I invested only 1,000, I'd have 9,000 by January. How's that possible? Wow, this calculator is insane. How does this even make sense? That they're predicting after the exchange it would be up to $9, which makes sense. If they're going to do the internal exchange, it's very possible that this can go up to 9, 10, even higher. Yeah. In April, saying that this coin is going to be in the $18 range. That's very high. That's a possibility. So, we've seen Coin jump from $1 to $100. Congratulations to you guys, and congratulations to me for finding it. But yeah, there's definitely coins that goes up to $100. Regal Coin almost made to $100 at one point. Hextra was up in the 50 range, maybe higher at some point. We've definitely had coins up in that range. BitConnect is was almost at the $500 range one day. I think it made it up to like 487 or something. So it's possible, especially if they're doing their internal exchange just 9 days after their ICO. So this could be very exciting. Anyways, I'm very pleased and happy with this site. It looks great. Now I read through quickly through their white paper. It doesn't look like they plagiarized anybody else. It looks like they pretty much wrote everything themselves, which is a big deal for me. I don't want to see words on here that looks like it's been copied and pasted from a different company. And this is how they're starting to set up their stages in ICO. Very important. It starts off at $1 and it ends at $2.50. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stages are going to happen extremely fast. I'm assuming every stage is going to be every day. So this ICO is only going to last 7 days, guys. So be prepared to be fighting for this coin. So if you lend 100 to 1,000, you'll be locked up for 250 days. I'm usually somewhere around down here, 10,000 and up for 100 days. That's great. Getting locked up for 100 days, even less than that, you know, for 5,000 to 10,000, 125 days, that's insane. So that's going to be great. So this is what their dashboard looks like. PGX is going to be $1, and there's 3 days, 14 hours and 48 minutes left before the ICO. 7 million coins for sale within 7 days. I have not found out what the maximum purchase is, but I'm assuming, and I always tell everybody this, there's always going to be a limit. There's always going to be a cap. So make sure you don't dump tons of money into this, because we don't know how difficult it will be to buy into this coin. And of course, always put in as much money as you're willing to lose, because you never know with these sites. But I feel like this one's pretty good. I feel pretty confident about it. But there's no guarantees in life, right? Get yourself some PGX coins. Use my link below, and make sure you follow, subscribe. Most likely in 3 days time, we'll be doing another video about how simple or hard it was for me to buy some PGX coins, and at that time I might even let you know what the maximum purchase is. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, okay?